Restarting JEE preparation with documenting on YouTube? Uh-oh.
Restart, reset, and refocus.
I say we're running down, down to your house, oh way down.
Hey dreamers, I'm really very nervous. This is my first time on the YouTube. Just let's start this journey together and support each other.
Hi everyone, this is Kalyani Sharma from Supaul district in Bihar. I'm a JEE dropper or a lost student. You might think JEE dropper student है most of the syllabus covered होगा, but let me be honest, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I have a lot of backlogs. I just used to procrastinate things and blame others. But this time I'm choosing discipline over excuses. I know restarting your preparation just 6 months before JEE exam sounds almost impossible, maybe even unrealistic. And honestly, I don't have even strategy for this. But I don't want to regret this 6 months. That what if I had started? I'm definitely not a topper. I'm just a average student who's trying to become a better version of herself. This video might be one of the most important videos of my life. So, today I'm starting this journey. For the next 6 months, I'll document everything here while being honest about my good days or my bad days. Just the real journey. No fake productivity, no pretending long study hours. Just the real journey about my backlogs or the progress or everything in between. Starting today, I'm taking my very first challenge, 50 hours in 5 days. In these days, I'll try to complete these topics or solve as many questions as I can. The very sixth day, I'll be back here and will share whether I completed the challenge or I failed. One more thing, this journey isn't about looking productive, it's about being consistent. So also I upload a daily short video just to give a quick recap and to keep myself accountable. If you are thinking to restart your preparation, just don't overthink. Just start. Don't wait for the perfect day or the perfect time. Just start. And if you are going to start with me, just let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any advice, study tips, or criticism, even you can please leave it in the comment. I would genuinely love to learn from you guys. So let's prove that it's never too late to restart. Let's see where this journey takes us. Let's keep each other accountable and keep motivated. So that's it for today. Challenge regarding things I'll put in the description box. You can check there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.
Please visit the next vlog to see whether I completed the challenge or not.